Mũcemanio-inĩ wĩgiĩ kwarĩrĩria maũndũ ma ũtonga kũrĩ atumia mũkawa-inĩ ũmwe gũkũ Nairobi, nĩkuo Mumbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro arĩ mũgeni, augĩrĩirie kĩrĩa areta itanya rĩa thirikari gũkungia Akenya wara mũbango-inĩ wa kũmba kĩgĩna kĩa mwanya kĩa waki wa barabara na maũndũ mangĩ nĩkĩo Infrastructure Fund.
All the things in that bill are things the country already is doing. We will be privatizing companies. We're already doing that. We've been doing that since a long time ago. We'll be selling underperforming government assets. We've been doing all that. We'll be putting resources together. We've been doing that. We'll be allocating government or budget money into the fund. We've been allocating budget money into infrastructure.
Kũringana nake kĩrĩa thirikari ĩtegete mũtaratara-inĩ wa watho wa kũmba kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ gacunjĩ karĩa karahĩtũkia kũhũthĩrwo kwa mbeca iria cionganio kuma wendia wa kambuni cia thirikari kuoya ngombo.
Only one sentence is there for the reason the government knows. That reason is called borrowing and leveraging. That after now we sell KPC, Kenya Pipeline, and of course Safaricom, we put that money into the infrastructure fund. Safaricom was sold before in 2007. So it's not a new thing to do privatization. But the essence of now what the government wants to achieve is that after you borrow 500 billion shillings, you now take a loan of times 10 of that. So you use that as collateral. Not as collateral, as seed money to buy times 10 of that.
Nyoro nĩ akũmithĩtie kĩrĩa areta nyota ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kũigĩrĩra Kenya mũrigo makĩria wa mathirĩ na gũthiĩ na mbere kũrikia irima rĩrĩa bũrũri ũrĩ.
Every single day, including today, Kenya is borrowing 4 billion shillings on net terms. Net meaning, sijaweka ile tumekopa kulipa deni ile ingine. Hiyo sijaweka. 4 billion every day on net terms. Na hapo, sijaweka ile kazi mnaona inaendelea hii Kenya. Because hiyo part ya hiyo pesa. Expansion ya Nairobi Nakuru Road, haiko hapo. That's a PPP. It will also become some form of borrowing later when the toll money is not sufficient.
Arera Kenya mũbango ũyũ wa thirikari warega kũrũgamio mũthia wa ũhoro ithuothe tũgekora hatĩka-inĩ ya gũkuithio mũrigo tũtakahota kwĩrisha.
If we do not have a stop on this, we will all pay the price of incompetence of decision making at the leadership level. Ghana paid the price where you owe government, the government owes you through T-bills, let's say $1 million. The government forced Ghanaians to take haircuts. The government comes and tells you, I know you bought a bill or a bond of $1 million, but from today we owe you 700,000. You can go where you want to go. And that is the government telling you exactly that. Senegal is in the same situation.
Itua rĩa kũmba kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩa infrastructure rĩahĩtũkirio nĩ ndundu ya mamĩnĩsta mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2025 na itanya rĩa kuona ciringi trilioni 5 mũbango-inĩ wa kũhingia kĩoneki gĩa President Ruto gũtua Kenya ta bũrũri wa Singapore. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.